Start na tayo ng recording. This lesson will be working on the customer rating of a fictional music streaming service. Streaming service has three subscription levels: free, standard, and premium. Customers are asked to rate their experience on scale 1 to 5. Eh, gagamitin natin tawag dyan, ang method. Ito yung gagamitin natin. You could use Panda methods to group the dataset by level and calculate an average. But 5-star rating category subjects, 4 as 1, 5 to another. Sige. This lesson we learn how to write custom Python functions, apply functions to rows and columns of a data frame like Pandas method, understand the cost and benefits of custom methods compared to built-in Pandas method. Nawala ang net. Okay lang yun. Gumawa lang tayo ng paraan. Gawin natin. A lot of data science in Pandas are done by calling methods. Ginagamit natin ang head to preview the data elements or sort values para mag-sort ang data frame. Sabi, why functions? We can select the first 5 rows are csat data frame using the code csat.iloc by first 5 rows. Okay. Like, if you have another data frame name, customer will like to use the same code to get the first 5 rows. Pwede natin gamitin natin na pag mayroong data frame, ilagay natin lock yan. The purpose of function to write this line code once when you use input parameters to perform as what we want. Once our function is written, we are able to just write natin preview CSAT or preview customer. Kahit ano sa kanila yan. Pwede CSAT, pwede customers, kahit ano lang. Let's define our preview function. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Ang command na to. Gamitin natin def signing tapos preview. Gamitin natin yun. Tapos, we define our input parameters. Remember, these are the pieces of code that we want to swap in and out. In our case, we want to swap in the name of the data frame, CSAT or customers. We add the input between parentheses since our parameter is the name of the data frame. We call it the df or tawag natin data frame. Ulit. Ito, def defining preview data frame. Tapos, when we put our input parameters df, a swappable piece of code, in other words, csat iloc first to 5, or end customers iloc location will be replaced with the df iloc 5. We also assign the code in the various rows and gagamitin natin. Defining preview data frame rows data frame natin iloc 5. Tapos, we can tell Python that the function should output to us with the return statement. The line return rows tells Python to output the value of the variable rows. Calling a function. The user call function replace the data frame between parentheses. Yan ang gagamitin natin, diba? Our preview function we assign to output the variable before returning. Pang titignan lang natin yun bago i-return. Preview lang, titignan lang. Isn't technically necessary because we simply return the calculation. Babalik naman siya. Kung nilagay natin return, babalik naman yan. After the preview, mare-return yan. Okay? So, save, run na natin to. Please go to preview. Call preview when it sees a data frame to run a set. Make sure the 5 rows display as output. Compare the output to head above. Gamitin natin. Ano natin? Okay. Fine. Ang gagawin natin ay review CSAT. Review CSAT and so save natin tapos run. Natin kung ano pa yung sinasabi dito. Save, run, tapos run. Kaya pala CSAT head, save, run. Ayan, nilita natin. I-preview lang natin. Ayun ba? Then, save natin, tapos run. Tapos testbook. Okay, we've written a function and view the last 5 rows that made a mistake. If we want to select this, the function won't produce anything. Add the missing command from my function that's when it produces the preview of the last 5 lines. How does Python knows what the output of the function is? Add the missing command from our function. CSAT tapos then close, save natin tapos run. Def and run. Tapos okay, next we've written function files that takes current data frame and counts the number of the entries equals to 5. Unfortunately, we made a mistake. Run the cell. We can get the same output with a changing input. Can you fix our mistake? Preview. Hold on. Anong natin? F CSAT. Rows CSAT. return rows, save, run. Wait lang. View data frame with only free plan. Files. Choose the output of files using both CSAT rating and free rating as input. Paano ba ito? Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung solution natin? The fives column, count column. Replace with solution natin to. Tayo lang natin. Okay. Ano ba yung maliin dito? You get the same output and changing input column can fix a mistake. Tingnan natin kung ano. Kung anong mali. Mention na kung ganyan na. Yun lang. Dahil matatagalan pa tayo dito. Hindi natin alam. Tingnan natin sa view solution kasi hindi natin malalaman. Sabi, fix our mistakes. So, ginawa natin def 5. Yun ang ano natin. Tawag dyan. Tawag dyan. Data frame natin. Tapos ang column natin. Count. Column value counts. Location 5. 5 lang natin. Within function 5s equals to 5. So 3 equals CSAT level. Anong tawag dyan? Anong column? Free level equal ba sa 3? Pag meron din the number of 5-star rating overall is 5 CSAT rating. Makikita yung rating. Number 5-star free rating is makikita din yung rating. Then, functions to apply to data frames series. Write a function matching the following criteria. Name other, input numbers, expect to list of numbers, identity values, number 0 plus 1. So, define, other, tapos number. Yan ang input natin. Tawag dyan. Tama. Input natin. Tapos added. Kasi sabi, plus natin na to. Number 0 and 1. Tapos return. After, tawag dyan, na-added na to. Pupunta dito. Okay? Kasi, Mawalan tayo ng signal dito eh. So, ang gagamitin natin, created a preview function to mimic behavior of the head. Ayun, nakikita natin. Def preview, data frame, rows, if iLog 5. Yan, gagamitin natin. Kung magdi-display tayo ng 10, ayun, lalagyan na natin ng 10 dito. Gusto mo 15, ayan, hihita natin. At by swapping out different values after I don't know anong symbol siya, we can change the number of lines. So, this case, so yun. Okay. Our function is already one put parameter. We can add the second using comma. Inside the parentheses, let's add the parameter n to the stand in n number rows we want to return. Now that the function is new parameter, we need to display the swappable pieces of our code. Tapos yun, gagamitin na natin. Ayun, that preview, data frame, number, rows, anong data frame natin, iLocation, tapos number. Kasi kahit anong number yun. Diba? Tapos, to call our new function, we need to specify both inputs again, using comma to separate them. For example, to print 10 rows from our CSAT data we use. Ayun, kung maglalagay tayo at CSAT. CSAT kasi already, pag CSAT lang, originally hanggang 5 lang siya. 5 rows. Pero pag maglalagay ka ng comma, tapos 10, ibig sabihin mo, dadagdag pa na hanggang 10 rows. Pwede naman din ito. df CSAT. Okay, sorry. Default value. Yan yung gagamitin natin. Pag mag-input tayo, di ba? Def preview, df, n equals to 5. 5 kasi kanina, n lang yun kasi kahit anong number. N is equals to 5 yan. Kasi original yun eh. So, ginawa, n, hinabaan lang ng konti. Kaya ginawa, n equals to 5. Guess nyo na. Hindi. Okay. Tapos, a fully functional preview function we can compare to the code for the panda's head. Here's the source code for the head and for the head method. You can collect them. Def head self n d frame t n integer 5 and d frame t return self iLog. Okay, so ito yung panda version nito, pandas version. Gamit natin self. Self is what we call df or data frame. Tapos ito yung version natin. Gamit natin ay data frame. Dahil medyo mahaba to, self, medyo confusing, kaya ginawa df na lang siya. Okay? Okay, tayo. Replace the code for the preview function below called preview. Called preview. Ang gagamitin natin. 7 rows. Ang gagamitin natin ay preview. Input natin ay CSAT 7. Save, run. Test work. Ay nako. To run your code, save, run. Wala pa rin. Ay nako, pasensya na. Guys. Hindi naman parang sinasadya. Pero nagkandaloko-loko na yung tawag dyan, Codecademy ko. Kaya, sige, ilagay na natin sa view solution kasi wala pa yun. So, di ba na-run natin to? Tatawag na natin ng preview, which is preview. Ito yung function natin, preview. Tapos, open close parentheses. Data frame natin. Tapos, ano yung tapos number. Tapos, ito yung magiging result. Kung sinabi na 7 rows, dapat yun kasi 7 yun. N is number. Kaya, kahit anong number yun. Kahit lagyan na natin CSAT lang, automatically 5, lalabas na 5 rows siya. Kung gusto mo na nang dadagdagan ng 6 or more, lagyan mo ng comma, tapos kahit anong number ilagay mo, salpak mo na lang. Yun lang. Tapos, function and preview that return last 5 lines of the data frame. Add parameter n to this function. Return in the last n lines of the data frame, including the 5. So, ang gagamitin nating function ay nPreview. Same din sa previous one. Pero papalitan lang natin ng preview to nPreview. CSAT, tapos natin? Yan. Ito pala, sorry. Gagamitin natin define and preview. Yan ang gagamitin natin itong function ang gamitin natin. Tapos df data frame, tapos 5 rows, data frame, number. Okay? Sabi, last 5 lines. Kasi since nasa last 5 siya, lalagay siya ng negative n. Okay? Tapos return rows, yun yan. Sabi, return function start that takes rush rating column like CSAT rating, return to the number of 5-star rating. Add a parameter named numStar. In this function, parameters numStar take as an input count appearance that is number instead of 5, where 5 should be the default. So, gagamitin natin define function natin ay stars. Stars, ito. Column, ang natin, ang data frame natin. Tapos, natin, number. Hinabaan lang yan. Okay? Tapos, count, calls column, value counts, iLock, numStar. Ayan. Location, some location, numStars. Tapos, nire-return yan. Okay? My code. Preview function that's output the first few rows of the data frame. Gamitin natin itong preview, if n, same din siya. Pero, after lagyan na natin ay, yan, def preview, the data frame and 5 first row and second row. First row and last row. Sabihin natin, first 27 to last row, 50. Tapos, return. Mare-return niya itong first row at saka last row natin. O pwede natin palit, alternate. First, last, tapos preview pass. Okay? Hindi natin makita to. Sige. Explain ko na to. Ito. Tapos, nasunod natin. Okay. Since ayaw niyan, gawin natin, na-input natin, na-run natin to. So, sabi, function positive. Ito yung magiging function natin. Function natin ay positive. Tapos, loob niya ay column. Column pa rin. So, stars. So, stars 4. Pwede naman 4. Star 4. Column. Tapos, value counts. Some location. Number 4. Same din to. Pero papalitan lang na 5. Okay. So, return stars 4 tsaka stars 5. Yan. Ang solution natin, pwede nating numbers lang. Kung ayaw na numbers, letters na. Word. Word ng 4, word ng 5. Kapag positive, function, CSAT, tapos, natin, rating. Yun ang natin tawag dyan. Column. Yan. Tapos sabi, write a function that is name is min, max, takes the data frame column as input, outputs column min, followed by column max. So, gawin na natin, tawag dyan, nasa na yan. Ang function natin ang gagamitin, min, max. Tapos, data frame natin ay column. Tapos, nilagyan na natin minimum, column min, maximum. Pwede rin lagyan natin A or B. Pwede rin siya. Diba? Ito nilagyan ng minimum at saka maximum. Kita natin. Tapos, itong dalawa na yun yung mare-return ito. Okay? So, and nakita natin. Applying functions group by one of the most helpful tools that we have to explore dataset group. Answering meaningful questions. One common framework for data science is split, apply, combine, and the apply portion typically involves applying some kind of aggregation. Yan ang gagamitin natin. Diba? Stars. Ang function na gagamitin natin ay stars. Stars. Tapos, column. Ang data frame natin. Tapos, number. Pilitin ng stars. Walang. Tapos, count. Column, cost value counts. Ang gamit nating tawag dyan, method. Tapos, .iloc. Location sa ng stars. Location para sa parang location nino num stars. Yun. The stars were built in data frame method where all could use it to group by produce summary. For example, the following code with the number of 5-star ratings per level. Nakikita natin, CSAT. Ang gamit natin data frame. Tapos method ay group by level, rating, at saka stars. CSAT group ay same din to. Ito yung magiging output nito. Okay? Parameters and apply. Our function stars has two main parameters, column and num star. When apply is called group by and passes group by the first parameter of the custom functions. In our case, our column parameter, so each group is fed into column in turn. Then our function counts the numbers of stars in each group. Additional parameters can be passed adding them as input. Apply, for example, to set the num stars parameter to 4. Ayan, mangyayari natin. Ayun o. So, since wala pa, hindi natin makikita, tatagalan pa tayo dito sa wala kasing connection yun. So, yun, pinabadalin natin. Naran natin tong import panda at saka CSAT head. Okay? Gawin na. We provided a function that computes the number of positive ratings for 5 stars. Use the group by apply to compute this number of each level. Assign the results of your code to the various level counts. Ito natin def positive column post rating. Hindi natin yung post rating na. Hindi natin. Kasi hindi pala na ano yun. Ito solution. Level counts. Ayun, level counts. Yun ang variable natin was CSAT data frame tapos method group by. Yun ang gamit natin. Okay. Next. Same din siya. Ayun. Pero magdadagdag siya ng positive. Anong klaseng parameter a positive function. Normalize a strict function and compute a positive with positive ratings for each group, not the raw count. So, parang binabagdad. Gamitin niya a positive function. Tapos, gamitin pa normalize na nakalimutan ko. Parang lowest to highest ganun. Okay? Replace with the solution. Applying functions, rows, and columns. Last exercise, we applied custom functions to group by. You can also apply custom functions directly to the rows or columns of a data frame. In this case, apply works by essentially looping over either the rows or the columns of the data frame, calling a function on each row or column. Start with built-in Python function. Nakikita natin. Ayun. That yung mini data. Tawag dyan. Ako. Huwag na. Baka pa tayo dito. To loop over rows, we call it dot apply with the additional keyword axis 1. Axis 2 ay tawag dyan. Y-axis. Kung axis 1, ibig sabihin X siya. So, data frame, apply sum, addition by X. Okay. Kaya ilalagay natin ng ito yung original niya. Pag once na nilagay na sa pack niya, magiging ganito. Like, nag-add yung A at saka B. Ay magiging ganito. Tapos yung mga letters, wala na. Parang tanggal na yan. Looping over columns. The loop over columns we call apply with additional keyword axis 0. Columns ay 0. Pag rows ay 1. Okay. Same din siya. Pero same din siya. Pero papalitan na lang yung axis 0. Okay? Tapos, we devise a function using if syntax to classify individual row. Ayun ang gagamitin natin ng if condition. If function pala. So, def classify row. If row base they subscribe. Yan. Tapos, we can perform this classification row by row by calling that apply setting x-axis. And as output, our first 5 rows would be ito magiging result siya. Okay. To save this data in our data frame, we can assign the results of the new column. Dito natin csat, tapos column, csat, data frame, method happy, classify ay ano siya, data frame, tapos number, yan. Run natin. Tapos, upgrader checks the user's plan to move tier than the current plan they are reading. We need to be state using apply to create new grade. We need column by looping through rows of the data and fix a mistake. Kailangan na ito. Nakikita natin. Ayan. Gawin natin yung axis ko. Save, run. Okay. Wala. Ay, nako. Ay, ano na tayo. View solutions tayo dito. So, na-run na natin to. Sabi, using function upgrader. Yan, gagamitin natin as our upgrader. Tawag dyan. Parang mahilin na ako. Nakikita natin. I-apply natin. Tapos, ang axis natin ay 1. Okay. Same din siya sa 2, 1 and 2. Pero ang ano natin, papalitan na natin yun. Like, ito, renewed. Ibig sabihin papalitan na. Panibago. Nakita natin kami. Na-renew na. Functions versus pattern methods. Custom methods are incredibly useful since they let you apply functions specifically for your analysis directly to a data frame. Nakikita natin, paggamit natin ng functions and built-in methods. Nakikita natin. The Jupyter note will be given two examples using built-in methods to solve some data problems that we used custom function on early on. All the code is provided, so you just need to have cells equal to execution period. Which approach do you prefer? I don't know. Pero naman, ayaw na siya. Tatagalan pa tayo dito. Pero ano natin din. Okay? Aralin nyo na lang. Ayan. Congratulations completing this lesson. You learn how to write custom Python functions with multiple inputs and outputs. Call Python functions while multiple outputs. Apply custom Python functions to the group of a group by apply custom Python functions to the rows or columns of the data frame. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sorry kung medyo maikli lang yung natin ang lecture. Pero yun na lang ang kaya ko. So yeah, ito lang.